I'm out here with the Flytec rock crawler. It was 24 bucks. Seems pretty nice for 24 bucks. It's all-wheel drive. It's got a couple big differentials here. But before I take it over into the rocks or into the gravel to see how it handles, we're just going to take it here around in the little basketball court just to see if it's even good on the flat surface before we go trying to hobble through any gravel. It looks real nice. It's got a metal body on it. It's not plastic, it's tin. Let's give it a shot, see what happens. Well, seems to have some decent speed for a rock crawler, actually. I mean, I don't know too much about these things. You got to talk to Shen RC about all that. But I'm sure he'll give me a pointer or two. Let's take it over here to the gravel. Goes through the grass pretty good. Let's open the gates of hell. Oh yeah, definitely. Gonna have to take this on some bigger rocks. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to find some better rocks than this for this thing. This thing's pretty decent for $24. Seems to be chewing right through this gravel. I think it's got a 600 milliamp hour battery in it. It's a 600 or an 800. It's one of them lithium ion things. You know, it looks like 4 AAA batteries all in one little package, in one little pack. Charged pretty quick though. It didn't take that long to charge it. It charges pretty fast, the battery. Yeah, it seems to go pretty good on the gravel. Yeah, it was worth 24 bucks, no doubt. What if I should go down and chase down them turkeys? You know, they're down there somewhere. They've kind of moved on though. I'm going to take it up this gravel path right here. I always take these things up that thing to see if they have any gumption. This thing shouldn't have any problem doing it. I don't see those gobblers down here anywhere. Okay, get it straightened out there, boy. Oh yeah, didn't have no trouble at all getting up this thing. Yeah, Steve can tell me if it was worth 24 bucks because I know zero about these kind of vehicles. I wonder if them turkeys are up around the corner. This is a compost facility back here behind the park. This is where people bring it and they take it. You can come and get it if you want it, and for your yard and your garden, or if you do your own composting, you can bring it and drop it off here. Oh, it smells lovely back here. Oh, somebody threw their big screen TV over the hill. Yeah. I mean, you can throw them kind in the garbage for what I know. I think the trim is a little off. Probably from the gravel. Nope. To the right a little bit there. Yeah, that dialed it right in. That dialed it right. Oh, there's all the leaves. That's where everybody drops the leaves off. There was another pile here, but they took it away. Or no, there it is, right there. It's dwindled down. Somebody's been using them steamers. Pretty good battery life on this thing too, no doubt. Yeah, it seems like it has some decent power. Well, it goes through grass, goes through gravel. You know, a lot of these cheap ones like this, they won't, once they get into grass like this, they bog down like crazy. But this thing's going pretty good. Yeah, because I had a couple of those other ones that cost way more than this. That when they hit the grass, bog down like crazy. So I mean, it doesn't have any of them features on it like the trims on the controller or nothing like that. But I mean, you know, what do you want for 24 bucks, right? Alright guys, I don't know what the battery life is. I'm not gonna sit here and just drive it around for, I don't know, how long has it been going already? 11 minutes. It's been going already, so that's enough. That's enough of the Flytec rock crawler. Alright guys, have a nice day.